Let's now take a look at the social profiles configuration. There's two spaces where you can do this. First of all, when you have selected the brand that you want to be making adjustments to, that you scroll a bit further down and then you see the overview of your connected profiles, where you'll be able to connect your profiles in the first place, reconnect them should you be required to update the connection, or even, if you like, to disconnect the social media profiles from. So here, for example, I can very quickly disconnect the profiles. Do note that, of course, disconnecting profiles within VirtusNova removes all the draft and scheduled posts for this channel. This is irreversible and means that these draft and scheduled posts will be deleted permanently, whereas the posts which are already live on this social media channel will remain online. However, not visible within VirtusNova. Alternatively to navigating through the social media profiles configurations here on the home page, taking into account that you have the brand selected, you can also do this on the top right here within the profile and settings, social profile section. Similarly to the brands which we have always visible in the top bar, we would go ahead and select the brands that we want to be making adjustments to, and then either connect your social media channel, reconnect it, or disconnect it from here.